Serikali gwetero mu waziri w'ekisemi Julius Ogamba nigo ainikire mu serikali ne chikoena na osine chikone kumuna Aborokia beach university nkwe gubare Eng'Eria yabo ye chibillion isano na ibire chinguta isano na mokorengana no OKOIGWANA babegete Ogamba niga yakwa naya chinga kekera na somo yega we 50 na ibire na inye bwoko babekere gutwa Aborokiwa chilifu inye chime isano na bane be university ya Nairobi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we gather here today, having just navigated a very challenging season. The recent industrial action in the university subsector was a moment of deep anxiety for the whole of the education sector and the nation at large. Our universities are the engine of our economy, and when that engine stalls, the whole nation shivers. The resolution to that strike that was signed on the 5th of November 2025, ending the 49-day strike, was a victory for dialogue. It was a commitment to restore trust, and I wish to announce here today that the government is committed to releasing the 2 tranches of the outstanding 7.7 billion as agreed, arising out of the arrears of the 2017-2021 CBA. I am aware that all the universities have since then moved fast to streamline the academic calendar to make up for the lost time, and that all learning and research activities are now running smoothly. And to assure every stakeholder that the government is determined to foster dialogue and consultation in the sector to avert industrial disputes. We are fast-tracking negotiations for the subsequent collective bargaining agreements and implementing robust monitoring systems to prevent future disruptions. Our goal is to ensure stability in all our learning institutions. Learning must be continuous, and the future of our learners and of our youth cannot be put on trial and suspended in any way every time there are these challenges.